This content is brought to you by BEC Financial Technologies, developing and operating IT for Danish banks.
Hello, thank you. And I want to start my presentation with a short story. Imagine this. You have a ticket, prepare an environment for a new client. It could be anything, development, UAT, staging, or even production. You might have a run book or a hefty stack of documentation that outlines how to set up an application servers, configure front-end servers, or align multiple microservices into highly available architecture. Now, think about the challenges that come with that. Even with the best documentation, there's always a chance for human error, miscommunication, or simply running out of time. Each step must be executed with precision, and any misstep could lead to delays or worse, to system downtime. But what if there was a better way? In our modern approach, we've embraced the cloud-native solutions that revolutionize the entire process. Instead of manually configuring servers or services, we use automation and infrastructure as a code. With just a few commands, we can spin up a fully configured environment in minutes, not in days. Every aspect, from the application servers to the load balancers, is predefined, repeatable, and consistent across all environments. This not only saves time, but also reduces errors. Our microservices are deployed in a way that ensures that the highly available, automatically scalable, and resilient to failure. Whether it's development, staging, or production, the environment is always ready to meet the needs of our clients. So when we say we are using a modern cloud-based approach, it's not just a buzzword, it's a transformative way of working that allows us to deliver with speed, reliability, and confidence. And that's the story I'm excited to share with you today. Okay, now let's go through the boring stuff. A brief overview of my background. I have 20 years of experience in the IT industry, which has given me a strong foundation and deep understanding of various technologies and methodologies. Currently, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer at Payback Polska. My role involves ensuring the smooth and efficient operations of our systems and infrastructure, focusing on automation, continuous integration, and deployment processes. Before my current role, I serve as project manager and system engineer. During this time, I gained extensive experience in managing projects and implementing systems across multiple sectors. I have a solid background in enterprise document management platforms, as well as customer relationship management platforms. This expertise allowed me to contribute significantly to projects and in industries like banking, telecommunications, and FMCG. On a personal note, I am a proud father of 2 daughters, which is a role I cherish deeply. One of my passions outside of work is ham radio. My call sign is Sierra Papa 9, Romeo Papa Sierra, and it's hobby that has connected me with people around the world. As I am a ham radio operator, you can call me, sorry for Polish, cześć ham, and I will probably answer with QRZ, which means in ham's language, who is calling me. I also enjoy hiking in my free time. It's a great way to stay active and clear my mind. Additionally, I'm a smart home enthusiast, always looking for new ways to integrate technology into my daily life to make it more efficient and enjoyable. Throughout my 20 years in industry, I've seen firsthand how cloud automation technologies like AWS and Terraform bring real business value by reducing cost and speeding up deployment. This combination of professional experience and personal interest keeps me motivated and constantly learning, both in my career and personal life. I believe it also allows me to bring up well-rounded perspective to the projects I worked on. Now, let's talk about the Payback. which is the largest multi-partner loyalty program in Poland, integrated with both online and offline environments. Operating since 2009, Payback leverages advanced data analytics powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning to enhance customer engagement and provide personalized offers. The program has over 8 million users and is a part of the global American Express Group, serving clients across 11 countries with partners like T-Mobile, Carrefour, and BP. Using cloud-native solutions not only ensures technical innovations, but also allows us to deliver personalized customer experience, driving engagement and retention. Okay, let's look at the software from business point of view. What are the loyalty platforms? At their core, they are systems designed to reward customers for their continued business. Unlike traditional discount programs, modern loyalty platforms are highly sophisticated, using data and technology to create personalized experiences. These platforms reward customers for various actions, purchasing products, engaging with the brand online, or even referring friends. The goal is not to just incentivize repeat purchases, but to create a deeper connection between the brand and the customer. Let's take a closer look at the most successful loyalty programs. Payback started in Germany and expanded to several countries. It allows customers to collect points across a wide range of participating retailers, both in-store and online. The points can be then redeemed for a variety of rewards, from shopping vouchers to electronics and even travel. What makes Payback particularly effective is its ability to consolidate points from multiple sources, making it easier and more appealing for customers to accumulate rewards. For businesses, Payback offers a way to gain a deeper insights into customer behavior. The platform collects and analyzes data on shopping habits, which business can use to tailor their marketing strategies and offers. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also boosts customer retention and brand loyalty. One of the key reasons Payback and similar programs are so successful is their use of data. Modern loyalty platforms leverage big data and analytics to understand customer behavior at a granular level. This data is used to tailor rewards and promotions to individual preferences, making the customer feel valued and understood. For example, Payback might send personalized offers to your shopping habits, ensuring that the rewards you receive are relevant and enticing. By utilizing platforms like AWS, we enable businesses to create deeper customer connections through better data insights and targeted marketing strategies. In conclusion, modern loyalty platforms like Payback are more than just a tool for customer retention. They are powerful ecosystems that enhance customer experience and build brand loyalty. By leveraging data and creating personal experiences, this platform ensures that customers feel valued and engaged, ultimately driving long-term business success. This slide presents a simplified view of Java-based application architecture, illustrating how different layers interact to deliver a scalable and robust solutions. At the top of this infrastructure, we have the Nginx load balancer, which is crucial for distributing incoming requests across multiple application servers. This ensures high availability and can also manage SSL termination, caching, and routing. The architecture supports multiple front-end clients, including web applications and mobile applications. This client communicates with the middle tier through API requests routed by the load balancer. The core of our architecture is the middle tier, where our Java application servers reside. These servers handle business logic, process data, and manage communication between the front-end and the back-end database. Finally, at the bottom is our database, which serves as the data storage backend. All persistent data is stored in the database, and the application servers interact with the database and read and write data as needed. This architecture ensures a clear separation of layers, with each responsible for specific actions. And this diagram provides a high-level overview of our cloud infrastructure from the perspective of a cloud provider, primarily utilizing AWS services. It illustrates the key components, their interactions, and the overall architecture, focusing on how different services are organized and connected to support scalable and secure environment. Represented by the data center nodes labeled external traffic and office, those nodes depict external user traffic and office network interactions with PaaS environment. Clustered under SaaS blueprint, this section includes Aurora for database services, Elastic Cache for Redis for caching, Lambda for monitoring functions, Elastic Container Registry for Helm and Docker repositories, CloudWatch and SNS for monitoring and notifications, S3 for storage, SFTP client and server for secure file transfer, and Code Commit for managing Git repositories. Managed by Elastic Kubernetes Service, with the Kubernetes environment cluster, it represents the core application runtime environment, deploying containerized workloads using Fargate for on-demand compute resources. Networking include network components like VPC, Route 53, and application load balancer to manage traffic and follow routing, traffic flow and routing within the environment. The security cluster includes identity and access management for roles and policies, secret manager for managing sensitive data, key management service for encryption and key management. These services ensure secure access and data protection across the environment. The diagram highlights how the external traffic is routed through Route 53 to various internal services. It shows the orchestration between Elastic Kubernetes Service, Lambda, Aurora, and other services, ensuring smooth operation and monitoring. Security components are tightly integrated, protecting data at rest and in transit, with Secrets Manager and Key Management Service playing key roles. This architecture provides a robust, scalable, and secure platform for delivering SaaS solutions, leveraging the full suite of AWS services to meet our operational and security requirements. The diagram clearly illustrates the relationship and dependencies between different components, ensuring a holistic view of our cloud infrastructure. Considering the software described in previous slides, our objective was to standardize, automate, and optimize the deployment of its infrastructure across various environments. So, within our company, the idea of the blueprint was born. Let's begin by defining what is infrastructure as a code blueprint. Essentially, it is a reusable configuration template that defines how infrastructure should be set up for specific environments or applications. This approach helps standardize and automate infrastructure management, ensuring consistency across different deployments. One of the primary advantages of Blueprint is the consistency they provide. Every deployment follows the same pattern, reducing and ensuring that the environments are identical. Another key benefit is reusability. Once a blueprint is created, it can be applied across multiple projects or environments, saving time and effort. In addition to consistency, version control is another strong advantage. Teams can track changes, collaborate, and roll back if necessary, all of which are crucial for maintaining reliable infrastructure. Finally, blueprints reduce errors by minimizing manual configuration, and they also serve as documentation, which is helpful for both onboarding new team members and auditing purposes. For businesses, the consistency and scalability of blueprints means faster time to market for new products and lower risk of operational disruptions. While there are many benefits, this approach is not without its challenges. Blueprints can sometimes be too rigid, making it difficult to customize for unique requirements. This can lead to overhead when modifications are needed. Maintaining and updating blueprints as technologies evolve can also be complex and time-consuming. Another risk is that if blueprints are not kept up to date, they may become outdated and lead to suboptimal infrastructure. Adopting the blueprint approach also involves a learning curve, especially for teams new to infrastructure as a code or DevOps practices. Additionally, since blueprints rely on specific tools, any limitation of those tools can affect the effectiveness of the blueprints. Moving on to Terraform, is an open source tool that plays a crucial role in infrastructure as a code. Terraform allows you to define and provision infrastructure in a consistent manner using code, which is especially useful when combined with blueprints. Terraform integrates seamlessly with blueprints, making it easier to automate the deployment process. Its multi-cloud support and modularity make Terraform a versatile tool that complements the blueprint approach, ensuring that infrastructure is consistent, scalable, and easy to manage across different environments. Terraform modules are the building blocks for creating infrastructure as a code blueprints. This module encapsulates infrastructure components, making them reusable and parameterizable. By defining infrastructure as a series of modules, you can create flexible and reusable blueprints that can be easily adopted for different environments or projects. Here's a typical workflow using Terraform. It starts with defining the Terraform configuration files. Then you initialize Terraform and use the Terraform plan command to preview the changes. After that, Terraform apply is used to deploy the infrastructure as defined in the blueprint. Terraform also manages the state of your infrastructure, ensuring consistency between the blueprint and the actual deployed resources. Let's expand our example to include more advanced use involving Terraform. In addition to creating AWS infrastructure, Terraform can also manage more complex services like Elastic Kubernetes Service Cluster. With Terraform, you can define and manage your entire cluster, including node groups, identity and access management roles, and networking settings, all in single blueprint. This not only automates the cluster setup, but also ensures that the configuration is consistent and reproducible across all environments. Additionally, Terraform supports multiple providers, allowing you to integrate services beyond AWS. For example, using Grafana provider, you can define monitoring dashboards and alerts directly in your Terraform code. This multi-provider capability makes Terraform a versatile tool capable of managing both infrastructure and monitoring tools like Grafana, ensuring a holistic approach to infrastructure management. With this approach, you can manage your entire stack, from cloud infrastructure to application monitoring, through a single unified Terraform configuration. Combining Terraform with infrastructure as a code blueprints offers numerous advantages. It automates repetitive tasks, ensures consistency across environments, and makes collaboration easier through version control. Additionally, Terraform's modularity allows for easy scalability, while also providing the flexibility to customize infrastructure as needed. Despite its advantages, there are challenges to using Terraform with infrastructure as a code blueprint. Managing state files, ensuring security, and handling complex dependencies can be difficult. However, best practices such as using remote state storage, implementing security in modules, and keeping blueprints modular can help mitigate these challenges. To wrap up, Terraform and blueprints together form a powerful combination for managing infrastructure. By automating deployment and ensuring consistency, this approach can greatly enhance the efficiency and reliability of your infrastructure management process. Consider adopting this approach to streamline your operation and improve scalability. Okay, and now I will propose a quiz. So take your smartphones and I will give you a QR code to scan. There is 5 questions. And for the first 3 participants with the highest points, we have the prizes. The speed during your answering is crucial. So please, it's not only the knowledge, but the speed is important. Can we start? Okay. 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 Let's look at the leaderboards. Okay, so the winner is someone with nick MZ. So and the second place is Łukasz, and third place is Iggy. So please welcome to our stage here at the end of the room, and you can grab your gifts.
A big applause for Krzysztof. And Paweł, you can